Is your Windows PC powerful but you still want to test Linux without deleting anything? Imagine running Ubuntu and Windows 11 on the same computer, switching between them anytime you want. Today I will show you step by step how to dual boot Ubuntu with Windows 11 safely and easily. No advanced skills required. So let's get started. First, we need to disable Secure Boot. Because when Secure Boot is enabled, your system may block Ubuntu from installing alongside Windows. To disable it, right-click the Windows icon. Then click on Settings. From the left menu, select System. Now scroll down and click Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Click Restart Now again. Now your computer will restart and show a blue screen. Click Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Select UEFI Firmware Settings. Then click Restart. Then enter your BIOS password and hit enter. Your PC will now open BIOS. Here, depending on your motherboard manufacturer, find the Secure Boot option and disable it. After disabling it, go to Exit. Then hit enter. And hit enter again to save the changes. After restarting, we need to create a separate partition for Ubuntu. Now we must create a new partition of at least 30 GB. So right click the Windows icon. Click Disk Management. Now you may see only one drive, usually C drive. In my case, there are many drives here. Find the C drive. Right click it. Then click on Shrink Volume. Now enter space to shrink in MB. For 30 GB, type 31,000. Then click Shrink. Now you will see unallocated space created. Here you can see that I have multiple drives. So I am removing this unallocated space and creating a new partition from this drive in the same way. So far, I have shown you how to do this from the C drive. So that it's easier for you to understand. After creating an unallocated space, right click it. Then click on New Simple Volume. After that, click Next. Then Next again. And again click on Next. In volume label, type Ubuntu and click Next. Then click on Finish. Now as you can see, our partition is ready. Now we need a bootable USB to install Ubuntu. So insert the USB into your computer, minimum 8 GB. As you can see, here is my empty USB drive. Now open your browser and search Ubuntu download. Open the first link. Click on Download Ubuntu. Now download Ubuntu Desktop ISO. And then click on Download. Now click on Download Now. Save it wherever you want. As you can see, it's downloading. Remember that it will take at least 40 to 50 minutes to download. Since it will take a while to download, I will also download Rufus now. So our next step is download Rufus. Search Rufus. Now open the first link and download the latest Rufus version. Save it wherever you want. Once it's downloaded, plug in your USB drive minimum 8 GB. Now click Rufus exe file. Now Rufus window will open. Under device, make sure your USB is selected. Then under boot selection, click select. Choose the downloaded Ubuntu ISO file. You don't need to change anything else. Click start and then click on OK. Now a warning will appear saying all data will be erased. Note, if you have important files, backup them first. Click OK again. Now wait about 10 minutes until bootable USB is ready. Now we must boot the PC using the USB. So restart your computer and press your boot menu key. F2, F12, delete or escape. Now here, select your USB drive and hit enter. Now your PC will boot from USB. After booting, you will see Ubuntu menu. Now select try or install Ubuntu and then press enter. After that, the installation screen will appear. Note, it will take some time to load, so please be patient. Now click Install Ubuntu. Now choose your language and click Next. After that, click Next again. Select your keyboard layout and then click Next. Select if you want to connect to the network and then click Next. Now here, choose Interactive Installation and then click Next. As you can see, it is asking you what apps would you like to install to start with. Here, you will choose your preferred option and then click Next. Now check this box and click Next. As you can see, there are three options. Here you can select this option, which is Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. Or you can choose Manual Installation option. Since I have already created a separate partition, I am selecting the Manual Installation option here. Now click Next. Now you have to select your correct partition. To select the partition, you first need to click on the partition. Then go to plus icon. Now under Used As, select ext4 and then select your mount point and click Next. As you can see, our partition is now selected. Click Next. Now create your account and check the box Required my password to log in. Then click on Next. Now choose your country or location. Then click Next. Now it's very important to verify your partition. Note, don't select wrong partition, otherwise your data will be gone. After verifying it, click on Install. Now please be patient because it takes some time. After installation finishes, click Restart Now. When your PC restarts, you will see a screen asking boot into Ubuntu or Windows Boot Manager. If you choose Ubuntu, it loads Ubuntu. If you choose Windows Boot Manager, it loads Windows 11 or Windows 10. To switch anytime, just restart and pick the OS you want. And that's it. You can now enjoy both Ubuntu and Windows on the same PC without removing anything. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. Your supports really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.